Hi, I'm Farhad.
I'm Navin,
We are on the sets of SSBeauty.
and today we'll answer the internet's most searched questions about the LGBTQ community.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Hi, sweetie, how are
Yeah.
you? Your bisexual.
Nice.
That's true. Oh, now I remember, yeah.
Long career. I'm gay.
Okay, first of all, who's all? Makeup is a huge part of the community, especially with gay boys, and they are so good at it now. And makes me question where I am in my beauty journey, because my idea of beauty is wearing sunscreen. I'll probably scrub my face with a little Clinique every now and then, but like this aggressive kind of scrubbing, hoping that all dead skin is gone.
You sound like you go around beating people up when you're not being gay. I mean, we all need at least one person to practice on. So the ones who do it well, practice on the ones who don't do it well, and that way we all look better.
It's not reversible because it's not a choice. You are born the way you're born. If someone thinks that it's reversible, that means they feel like things like conversion therapy and conversion camps are real.
So please do not ever think that being queer can be reversed and make you straight, because being straight, first of all, is boring. So we don't want to be straight, even if we had the option.
I'm not fashionable. I'm just black t-shirt, jeans for years now. But every now and then, even a guy like me needs a little help. So I have some lovely gay boys who'll help me out with that every now and then.
How many boys do you have?
Shit, I said it. Just you, baby. Just you. Please don't go. But yeah, I usually have the Steve Jobs wardrobe, which is just, I prefer wearing black, a black t-shirt, jeans. But gay boys are so good at dressing up.
Yeah.
At least just gay boys.
I think even if it's a black t-shirt, a lot of gay boys will wear it in a way which is not what others will wear it at. So like when somebody walks into a party or like a cafe and they are queer, you almost immediately know there's an air of an effort around it.
Yeah.
Because like see, you spend so much time in the closet, might as well get dressed nicely.
Wow.
As far as I know, lesbians do not hate men, but given the option, they would not be around them. Most of my friends now in life are curated lesbians only. It's because they'll talk about like so much more, like about films, about art, about so much in life. So I think for me, it's fulfilling to have them in my life because they are way evolved.
Wow.
See, we do have crushes on straight men. We won't deny that. Some of the straight men, oh my god, something about them. They know it, and these straight men, they always know what they're doing. Okay, so they're not insecure. It's the others, the ones who don't look it, and then they think we're going to hit on them. Sweetheart, sit down. Nobody wants that. Okay, every straight friend from my college years till now, everybody's like, but me, I'm like, no.
I really feel it's not a thrill of the chase, but sometimes it's just wanting something that's not easy.
Forbidden fruit.
Which I feel a lot of people in all our relationships, we fall in that trap. So I feel like it's a slippery slope that a lot of people, at least gay boys, slide on. And they don't enjoy sliding on that slope. I have a quick way to respond to that. If someone says that to you, that makeup is not masculine, you just immediately turn around and ask them, why do you hate women so much?
Yeah, but I think specifically for men, even skincare basic is like not a part of their package. At the age 50, Indian men start looking like kishmish, right? They're like sikuda hua, like the skin is all like, so just like general upkeep is not there, and they think then, oh, putting any kind of thing which is white color on my face will make me feminine. But that's not the case. Just general sunscreen lagao kam se kam, yaar, utna to
I just started.
Exactly,
Like
that's a basic.
It's not. It's unfortunately, but also very fortunately, not a choice. I don't want to call it a struggle or a battle, but it's something that if it happens to you and if you process your way out of it.
It's a training camp for life.
It's a training camp for authenticity. Once you realize that this is who you are and this is who you're going to be for the rest of your life will become one long quest in just attaining authenticity.
But like if you like even like hang around with the boys and everything, you know how it is. Like we had this one professor in our college who was a little effeminate, and everybody would be like, whenever he walked in, they would do the soundtrack with their
Ta-tan, ta-tan,
yeah. So that's the most common way of doing it, right?
Yeah.
So like you are watching this unfold, and through your entire life, I was like, if this is what gay people are treated like, I'd leave and you don't come out. After you come out, it's even worse, right? So why would anybody knowingly go
Do
to
that.
that?
Yeah.
So if it's a choice, I would never choose to be that.
I feel what happens is that's some stereotype, and I'll tell you why. It's because when a lesbian, let's say, is butch, and when a gay man is effeminate, they tend to stick out. But beyond those two parameters, there is a whole spectrum of types of gays and lesbians and genders and sexualities. So like really to just say that all gay, all lesbian, no, that's not a thing at all.
Yes, sorry. Wrong, it was Kolkata in 1999.
This is rigged.
Yeah.
Yes. Shit.
2018,
Yeah.
6 September.
False.
False. It is true. It is true. Gay culture came from Greek and then came back
Yeah,
all
I'm
the
thinking
way
of all
around.
these Greek gods. Kapoor and Sons. What?
The question is, who is queer played by queer characters?
Sorry.
So Trinitra in Made in Heaven, season 2.
See, this is why we need representation. It's taking me so long to come up with this answer.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah. Aligarh, Manoj Bajpayee. Yeah, and Kapoor and
Sushmita
Sons.
Sen,
Susmita Sen in the Tali thing.
Gauri Sawant, and Kapoor and Sons, Farhad Khan as the gay character. So many of them.
Oh my God, this John Abraham and Abhishek Bachchan in Dostana side buff.
Even Boman Irani in that same movie.
Oh my God, Rishi Kapoor in Student of the Year. Why do we know this way more than the previous question?
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
It's light pink, light blue, and white.
Blue, pink, purple.
Yeah.
3 CPO. No.
It's Elon Musk's child.
Let's go one by one. L is lesbian. J,
Gay.
bisexual, transgender, asexual.
Then queer is
Queer,
Q.
Q.
The second Q is in questioning. I is intersex. A is asexual. And 2S is two spirit.
Two spirit.
Yeah, if I'm
That's
not
one.
wrong.
Yeah. And then there's a double A in the end. Ally. Allies is one. And the other A is aromantic. Asexual we
Yeah.
already did.
Yeah. Asexual too, yeah, obviously.
So then LGBTQI A का पहला A क्या है?
Anybody we want from A can be a part of that.
Sure.
Okay, so that was a lot of fun. Farhad, did you have a good time?
Yeah, kinda.
Stop staring into the soul of the camera.
Okay.
You won't win any more rounds after this. But if you enjoyed this and if we helped you bust some myths around the LGBTQ community, tell us in the comments what was yours. And if you like this, then please subscribe to the SSBeauty page and tell us more if you want more of this content. Until then, I'm Navin.
I'm Farhad.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.